Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about how can we restore our soft deleted datas, and also we will discuss about how can we permanently delete our soft deleted data. So let's get started. In previous video we deleted some datas, right? If I go to my DB manager, you can see these two data are currently soft deleted. You can see in deleted add we have some values. That means these datas are currently soft deleted. So how can we restore a single data? We will see now. For that, let's go to our code editor. Let's comment this line. I will be removing the delete query. In here I will call my post class. Sorry. Now we have to specify which data we want to recover. Now we will be calling a new method which is with trashed. Now after that we can use our typical where query or find method to select our row. Let's say I will say find method. So I have to specify the ID here, right? So let's go to our DB manager. Let's say I want to restore this post, right? So let's grab the ID. The ID is 3. If I paste here, and then we will call another method which is restore. That's all. Before running this query, I like to show all post. Let's say return, sorry, post all. Let's see how many data it return now. Let's go to our front end and then refresh. We are currently on our home page. You can see it giving us single record because we deleted 2 of our records. I mean soft deleted, right? Now after, when I will run this query, restore query, so it should restore this post for me, which ID is 3. Okay, let's try. Let's add a DD here just for a alert type. Let's go to our home page and refresh. Then you can see we are seeing this string. Now if I go to my database manager and refresh, here you can see the deleted at field has been replaced with null. That means our record has been recovered. Now let's check out our code editor. From here we will return our all post again. Let's comment this out and then go to our front end and refresh. Now you can see in our all data we are getting 2 results. That's because we just restored one of our soft deleted records, right? Now I will show you how can you delete a record permanently. Like if we delete anything with soft delete, you can see the record remains in your database. But in case you want to delete a record permanently, you can do it also for that. Now let's just comment it out. Now in here I will say again call my post model, post colon, again we will call our this with trashed method that will return us the trash data with actual datas. From there we will find, then in find method we have to pass a ID, right? So let's say I will permanently delete this row, right? In deleted at, you can see this row has a value. That means this row is currently soft deleted. So I'll be deleting this row permanently. So I'll grab the ID, paste it here. Then we have to chain another method which is force delete. That's all. So we are forcing to delete this item, or you can say this record. Okay, now if I go to my front end and refresh the URL, you can see we're getting a success string, right? Now if I go to my DB manager and then refresh, you can see the row has been deleted. There isn't any kind of record which have ID2, right? So if I now run this query from our previous video, this query will return only the trash data, or you can say only the soft deleted data for us. If I refresh, sorry, I have to comment it out, then again you can see that's showing us empty. That means we don't have any kind of soft deleted value in our table. So that's how you can delete your soft deleted record permanently. And one thing to remember, the soft delete only works in eloquent model. It doesn't work in query builder. You can't use it on DB, right? So if we want to use Laravel's soft delete feature, we have to go with eloquent. So that's it for this video. See you at the next one.